If you're like me and not a huge fan of cooking or meal prepping because of how time consuming it can be to chop all those veggies, you need to get yourself one of these choppers. It is so awesome and so quick. So it comes with different size grates here. So this is if you want them finely diced, if you want them a little bit bigger diced, and then these ones are for some ribboning as well. You need to be really careful. This is so sharp. So all you have to do is put it in here and lock it into place so it's not gonna go anywhere. You just need to cut up whatever, like, you know, roughly get yourself a piece there, put it in here, and boom. It's like every time. I feel like I have to say boom when I do it. It takes seconds. And obviously if you're prepping a salad or anything with mixed veggies, you can just do them all at once and just put them in here. Boom. And just like that, it is all chopped up and ready to go.